Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just unpack on indaba kaJoshlin Smith, just the highlights nje of what happened. Sister Zilo, Lorenza Lombard, ayingeke. She can't seem to put it together. Izinto zakhe nje azibe right. And you know what's crazy about it though? Last week she went to a GP, right? And she was cleared to know she's fine to testify. She's not like necessarily sick. But she keeps on breaking down, be right, and then she cries. I just don't know anymore. You know what I was even thinking? I even thought ukuthi mhlambe ngoba ngasayithola idakamizwa every day. Uyarelapsa, akabi right. Mhlambe unida one. Like ukubona leyo nto ngoba cause when you're just used to them and then I will be right. I started thinking about a lot of things. I'm just like, Aibo. Why? Because it's an everyday thing now. Monday, she cried, wayihleka kodwa. All of a sudden futhi somuntu okhalayo mangabe ijudge selembuza again izinto, and this other lawyer with defense mayimbuza izinto siyakhala. I'm just like, hey bosses, so yabona ukuthi it's an everyday thing now. We don't finish courts every day because umuntu vele ashintshe abe yinye into. Just as much as she actually broke down on Monday, but she maintains ukuthi uKelly Smith, uMaka Joshlin, is the one who orchestrated this whole situation. Uyena wayibiza abantu athi wena uzoba kanje wena. And remember, I had said ukuthi this thing kaJoshlin came with Buddha. No, bathi uKelly uyena ohamba phambili usisters. And remember, I even said, why is she not then telling us ukuthi uyiphi ngane? Why are we even going through a trial? She must just say, this is what happened, and then we're done, and then it's over. State resources. She maintains ukuthi yena no Buddha, no Stefano Bona, they just bystanders. Actually, they never came up with the idea of like stealing Joshlin. You understand what I mean? Yena she was just a bystander basically. uKelly uMaka Joshlin, who came up with this whole thing. Just the problem now, because of inconsistencies, the defense is pressing on. They like, no, we're gonna discredit you, unamanga, to a point where one defense lawyer told her straight on Monday, you're lying. You know why? Unamanga. Is njengomunye esimaziya ngithi lo uzobuya futhi on the 14th on sense omunye waskesi ngesisamusha igama lakhe uyamaza ngithi bavele bamtshela naye but unamanga. Advocate Charles Minister wamtshela namanga. Stop it. You manufactured and cooked this whole situation. You are actually a liar. A lawyer Stefano, right? Even told Lorenza ukuthi wena, you are saying other things out of anger. Most of the stuff that you are actually saying about Stefano, you are not saying them just because they're legit and genuine. You are angry. And Unobahle Mkabayi is Stefano's lawyer. Usisters are you hush. Uzangikhumbuza umshololo a bit. You know? They're almost the same or person. Yeah. So the reason why ethi wena ukwatile wena Lorenzo kusho Unobahle Mkabayi lawyer ka Stefano ukuthi you are angry sis. Kanti sisters lo Lorenza ukwatelini, she's angry that Stefano is the one that was implicating Ayanda uneyingane no Lorenza. They actually have 2 children. Lo okuthiwa ubuya athengisa idakamizwa uBrothers uyena ohamba phambili. And apparently he's the one who actually came up with the story so ukuthi no ingane asithengise esangomeni. Ha guys, I was just like ngeke kuningi. Then Ayanda must be in jail as well. I mean, it's just my thing. Where is he outside to end? Guys. And the defense lawyer asked Lorenzo when you are the one that was preparing food for Joshlin, but you knew her fate, you knew Uguti what is the mother up to. The next thing you act like everything is fine. You were in it as well, but you keep on lying, you know? And the kama lady told the states ukuthi unamanga. Ngizoke ngime lapho kancane guys nge-case ka-Jocelyn. It's a lot actually with this case. It just nje, it's everywhere, you know. There is a direction now and then, but hey, ngeke. So ngiyabonga guys so much. I just wanted to tell you that guys, YouTube paid me for the first time yesterday on the 25th. I was shocked for days. I was just like, what? Ngoba last year in April bang demonetizer. I am going to put my videos where I'm talking about my demonetization, but I learned a lot actually from that demonetization. The reason why sometimes you don't even see clips of videos here, because I talk over my videos, because I'm just like, I don't want that anymore. When I do actually have my mouth, why would I be putting videos to a point where I video of the proceedings that happens in the trial or a trial kasenzomiwa, because I'm just like, I don't know ukuthi u-YT ufunana, ngifuna ukuxabana nje nabo. You understand? Uyabona ukuthi manje sine relationship rights kanjani, and it's actually all because of you guys as well. That is why I'm saying that from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for always looking out for me and supporting me. Ngithanda over. Thank you.